Hello everyone, I hope you guys had a wonderful day and I hope you guys had a wonderful weekend as well. Let's get into some technical analysis on Bitcoin. And right now, if you guys have not seen, I actually have updated the commercial money, the CFTC report, and it's showing you guys the commercial money is still net short 1,636 contracts, long 161 contracts, so net overwhelmingly short Bitcoin. And the non-reportables, small speculators, retail money, dumb money, they are currently long 1,195 contracts and short 776 contract. But overall, Bitcoin is just chopping sideways right now. It is pretty indecisive. It is trying to pick a move, and at the moment we'll have to see if Market Cipher gives us some new signals here. And at the moment we actually do have a red dot on Market Cipher B and a red dot on Market Cipher A, and we also have a 14 and a -3 on the dual band strength index. And again, we might get some more volatility this week due to the CPI news, and we do have a little bit more economic news coming up as well. But we do have an event that happened recently over the weekend, that conflict in the Middle East. So obviously that's not that great. Obviously it's very sad what's going on over there, and again that could affect some price action. So we'll have to keep a close eye on things, and we'll go from there. But right now we got a new weekly time frame. New weekly candle, and right now that candle is showing an 11 and a -4. Or a 17 and a -5 on different charts. So overall, I think it's looking a little bit more bullish on the weekly time frame. You are still in red money flow, so this week the bulls really need to push through this $28,500 resistance. But if they do not, then the bears are going to retake control and push this towards the downside. And right now, we might be putting in a topping wave on the daily time frame for a B wave top, just like so. And we could be getting ready to head down to lower levels. That green, we do have green money flow on that daily time frame, but it is thin. So we don't want to, take this as a huge long opportunity, especially with the momentum waves so extended right now. And if we do long, then we do want to buy on the pullbacks, right? If Bitcoin comes back down here and makes a higher low, then that's a potential long signal. Then you might have an extension of the B wave, or you may even have a potential top in the B wave here, right, and a bottom in the C wave here. And at that point, then you're going to start a whole new cycle, and then you're going to start with a possible impulse towards the upside in wave 1, 2, and then 3, and 4, and 5, right? And then you're going to go to higher highs. Obviously, it's not that small. It's extended like so. There you go, something like that. But I don't think that's the most probable scenario at the moment. I think the more likely scenario is that we are going to head down to some lower levels near 21 to 22,000, somewhere around there. And at that point, I'm going to close my short positions and I will be taking my profits. Again, you're putting in a lot of consolidation, inside bar consolidation on Bitcoin right now. You ran into that big resistance around that 200 weekly. You ran into the 200 day. You're running into the 100 day. So, and then on top of that, you got all this resistance at 28,000 to 30,000. There's a huge amount of resistance right here. So again, Bitcoin is really struggling right now, and the bulls are going to push this up. Then they need to do it now. But right now, you got a bow tie necktie on the 100 day and the 200 day moving average. And if they cross, then that might be it for Bitcoin, and maybe we'll see some downwards price action from there. But overall, nothing has really changed for me in my analysis for Bitcoin. I still think that we came up in a wave 1 here, and then you're gonna come down in a wave 2, and that's gonna be a very boring wave, and a lot of people are gonna get out and panic once this comes down, and then that's when you want to start accumulating. I don't think it's gonna go this low, but I think we have a good chance of coming back to 21. But I'm just going to leave it like this for now, okay? So that's my analysis for Bitcoin. We can take a look at Wave Edge quickly as well. So Wave Edge right now, no new daily red crosses or anything like that on the daily time frame. You did get this one on Bitstamp, on Coinbase, but I don't know if this one's valid because all the other charts are not showing it. So this might be a false signal. That's why you want to alternate through multiple charts just to be sure that you're getting some good signals, okay? And nothing really on the 4 hour as well. So I'm just basically just waiting for the markets to open tomorrow. We'll see how the market reacts, and then we'll take it from there, okay? At the moment, the dollar is coming back up and it is bouncing off support, so we'll see if it makes a new high. If it takes out this previous high, then it can go on for a while longer, and it could keep, you know, creating bearish divergence for a very long time. But if it invalidates bearish divergence, then you really want to be careful, because the dollar could be headed to some even higher levels that most people may not believe is possible. Okay, all right, so let's move on, and then we'll wrap up the video. If you guys want to get access to my trades, the link's in the description. This is where we post our day trades and our swing trades for Bitcoin and other cryptos. Feel free to join. Love you all. Peace.